Hello and welcome to this English vocabulary lesson. Today, we'll be discussing football-related vocabulary. Football is a popular sport around the world, and learning football-related vocabulary can help you to better understand and discuss the game. Here are some important football-related words and phrases to help you sound like a native speaker. Pitch. This is the playing field where the game is played. Goal. This is the area on the field where the ball needs to be kicked in order to score. Brace. A brace refers to a player scoring 2 goals in a single game. Hat-trick. A hat-trick is when a player scores 3 goals in a single game. Assist. A pass that sets up a teammate to score a goal. Free kick. A restart of play awarded to a team when the opposing team commits a foul. Penalty kick. This is a free kick awarded to a team when a foul is committed inside the opposing team's penalty area. Corner kick. A set-piece kick awarded to a team when the ball goes out of play over the opponent's goal line, taken from the corner flag. Offside. This is a rule in football that penalizes a player who is closer to the opposing team's goal than the ball when the ball is passed to them, except if there are at least 2 opposing players between them and the goal. Yellow card. This is a card shown to a player by the referee to indicate a caution for unsporting behavior. Red card. This is a card shown to a player by the referee to indicate that they have been sent off the field for a serious foul or unsporting behavior. Yellow card accumulation. Receiving a suspension after accumulating a certain number of yellow cards over the course of multiple games. Goalkeeper. This is the player who defends the goal. Defender. A player whose primary role is to prevent the opposing team from scoring. Midfielder. This is the player who plays in the middle of the field and helps to control the flow of the game. Forward. This is the player who plays closest to the opposing team's goal and is responsible for scoring goals. Striker. A player whose primary role is to score goals. Substitute. This is a player who comes onto the field to replace another player. Referee. This is the official who enforces the rules of the game. Tackle. This is the act of attempting to take the ball away from an opposing player. Dribble. The act of moving the ball forward by skillfully maneuvering it with one's feet while running, typically used to evade defenders and create scoring opportunities. Marking. Closely guarding an opposing player to prevent them from receiving or passing the ball. Nutmeg. Passing the ball between an opposing player's legs. Handball. Touching the ball with one's hand or arm, which is only allowed for the goalkeeper. Foul. A violation of the rules that results in a free kick or penalty kick for the opposing team. Own goal. Accidentally scoring a goal against one's own team. Header. This is the act of hitting the ball with the head. Formation. The way a team is arranged on the field, often indicated by numbers such as 4-4-2 or 3-5-2. Clean sheet. A game in which a goalkeeper and defense prevent the opposing team from scoring. Counterattack. Quickly transitioning from defense to offense to catch the opposing team off guard. Bus parking. The term bus parking in football is used to describe a defensive strategy where a team focuses on defending and keeping a large number of players behind the ball to prevent the opponent from scoring. Time wasting. deliberately slowing down the pace of the game to preserve a lead or to run out the clock. VAR, Video Assistant Referee, a technology used to review referee decisions during a game. Extra time, additional time played at the end of a game to determine a winner in the event of a draw. Stoppage time, additional time added to the end of a half of a game due to time lost from substitutions, injuries, or other stoppages. By using these football-related words and phrases, you can sound like a native speaker and better understand and discuss the game. Thank you for watching, and I hope this lesson was helpful. Subscribe for more videos.